If the average selling price of an article 1 on all shops, there are 5 articles, the percentage of discount offered by 3 shops is given. See, for one particular article, let's say article 1, market price must be same for any shop? Yes or no? But what will be changing? Discount percentage offered by different shop may change. Come on. If the average selling price of article 1 on all shops is 4740, then find the selling price of article 1 in shop B. Right. What is discount percent offered by shop A? 21%. Then selling price becomes what percentage? 79%. Discount percent offered by shop B? 18. Then selling price? 82. Next shop is giving 24% discount. Selling price? 76. What is total selling price? 70, 70, 70. 3 70s and 110 extra we have. Ardhamainda? I have 3 70s and 110 extra. Got it? 220% so far. Next, 9 plus 2 plus 6. 17. Already 220 plus 17. 237. 237% is equal to 3 into 4740. You're asked about selling price of shop B. Selling price of first article, article 1 for shop B. Shop B is giving 18% discount. Then it is selling it at 82%. Got it? Yes or no? Approximate or exact? Approximate answer or exact answer? Exact. Look at this. What is 1/3 of this number? If it is 240 for some time, if it is 240 for some time, what is 1/3 of 240? Still you have more than that. That means right hand side also your answer should be more than 1/3. That means 4740, and it should be more than that. Am I right? What is 1/3 of this number approximate? 79. And how much more you have? 3%. Very negligible when compared with 79%. Agreed? So answer also should be more than 4740, but not with too much difference. Look at your options. Nearest options? Nearest options? This one or this one, correct? And look at your question. Is it approximate or exact? Exact. That means it should be 82 multiple. If it is 82 multiple, it has to be, I think you can verify last digit. You can verify last digit. This number ends with 3 into 4740 ends with 20. Yes or no? You have 10, so here also you'll have 10. 7 into which number ends with 2? 6. Then 2 into 6 ends with? So your answer should end with 20. How many options are there? 2 are there. Okay. Answer should be 82 multiple. It should be 41 multiple. 82 factor 41. Yes or no? Is this 41 multiple? No way. Is this 41 multiple? Yes. Final answer. The average selling price of article 2 in shop A and B is 3,900 and shop B and C is 3,750. What is the discount offered by shop B? Now, if average is 3,900, then sum is 7,800. If average is 3,750, then sum is 7,500. Yes or no? Right. First is selling price of A and B. 7,800 is selling price of A and B. Second one, 7,500 is selling price of B and C. Which is common? B is common. So whatever difference 300 rupees we have here, that is because of A and C. Am I right? In A, how much discount we are getting? And B, difference in percentage, difference in rupees. That means 6% is equal to 300. 100% is equal to 5,000. Am I right? You're asked about total selling price. You're asked about selling price of B. Are you getting my point? Now, market price is 5,000. Total market price of B and C together is 10,000. Are you getting? And B and C average selling price is 3750. 3750. Now, then total selling price of B and C together is 7,500. 7,500. That means how much discount we have from B and C together? 2,500. Are you getting? Right. Now, from C alone, how much discount we are getting? 21%. 21% discount on what? 5,000. Are you getting? What is 1%? 50. What is 21%? 1,050. So out of 2,500, from C alone, our discount is 1,050. Then how much discount is offered from B alone? 14? 14. Matladru? 15. Discount offered by B, 1450. This is total market price, and this is total selling price, and this is total discount. From that, if you subtract discount offered from C, then you will get discount offered from B. Followed everyone? If the average selling price of article 4 on all shops is 5,200, then find the selling price of article 4 in shop B. In shop, come on, B. If total market price of one item is 100%, 3 shops are there. Total market price 300%. Already we are getting 25%, 20%, 45, 45 plus 18, 63% discount. Out of 300, if 63% discount is there, then selling price becomes 237%. This is total selling price. Am I right? Now what is given? Average selling price. How much is that? 5,200. Then total selling price 5,200 into 3. That is 15,000. 15,000. Right. Now you are asked about shop B. That means what percentage you need to calculate? 20% discount is made. So you have to calculate 80%. Getting my point? What is 1/3 of this? What is 1/3? 79. What is 1/3 of this? 5,200. 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేశాక 15,600, 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయకముందు 5,200. అంతేనా? This is what percentage? 79%, but you need to calculate 80%. So you should add little bit more than that. Am I right? So from this, if 237% is equal to 15,600, to get 1%, you have to divide this number with 237. Am I right or no? Yes or no? What is 10 times of this number? 2,370. How many times approximately we have? 6 times. Matladru. Yes? Right. How many times we have? 6 times. That means 60 times. So you have to add approximately 60 or 70. How many options are close to 5,200? 60. Asal 5,200 lo unnadu okate ade answer. Final. There is only one which is very close to 5,200. Need not to worry whether you need to add 60 or 70 or 80 or any stupid number. There is only one which is near to 5,200. Followed?